I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by picking a 360 capable app or the Pano mode that outputs full spherical data. This matters for stitching later. Mount your iPhone on a steady tripod or rig and level it. Even small tilt breaks stitching. Once mounted, set the camera to highest quality, 4K or full resolution photos, and turn off auto filters that alter color. You want consistent frames. Then begin a controlled capture. Rotate the rig or use app-guided capture, keeping overlap between frames for reliable stitch results. Once you've captured your frames, transfer them losslessly via AirDrop or cable so nothing compresses. Open a dedicated stitching app or desktop software and import the sequence. Choose spherical projection and let the software auto-align, then inspect control points and manually fix misalignments if needed. You'll also correct exposure and white balance across frames so seams vanish. Use feathered blending and ghost removal tools for moving subjects. When satisfied, export as equirectangular 2, 1 or a 360 video format compatible with viewers. You finish by encoding your stitched equirectangular file with H, 264 or H, 265 at a bitrate that preserves detail. Keep the 2:1 aspect ratio. Upload and test on both a headset and a web viewer to confirm horizon stability and seam invisibility. If you find visible seams, jitter, or misaligned objects, the key troubleshooting step is to recapture with more overlap and consistent exposure, or return to the stitcher to refine control points and blending. This usually fixes most artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.